friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious coconut jello, perfect to end your day. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious and creamy coconut jello, this is the ingredients that we need. We need, of course, coconut extract, 4 tablespoons of unsweetened gelatin, 1 cup of yogurt, half a cup of water, 1 cup of regular milk, 1 cup of evaporated milk, 1 can of coconut milk, 1 can of condensed milk. This is everything you need to enjoy a delicious and creamy coconut jello. So let's get started. I want to start first by greasing my mold. This is a silicone mold, but of course you could use any type of mold you have at home. I'm adding a little bit of the baking spray, and then I'm going to take a little bit off with the napkin. Here I have half a cup of water, 4 tablespoons of unsweetened, unflavored gelatin. I'm going to mix it very well until everything has been dissolved. And as you could see, it's getting already nice and thick. We're going to put it aside and let it bloom for a couple minutes. On a pan, I'm going to add all the ingredients. This is a very easy and delicious coconut jello. I'm adding 1 cup of regular milk, 1 cup of yogurt, no flavor, 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of coconut milk, nice and thick. And I am going to mix away, whisk really good to incorporate all the milks and the yogurt. Mix it very well for at least 2 to 3 minutes, and then you are ready to start adding the unflavored gelatin. Look at this. Very easy to prepare. Add everything into your pot, and once you incorporate everything into the pot, whisk it a little more, and then let's take it to the stove. We're going to take it to the stove in high heat, but we don't want this to start boiling or bubbling. We just want the unflavored gelatin to disappear. As you could still see the little specks of the unflavored gelatin. I am going to continue whisking until it looks exactly like milk with no lumps, and everything has incorporated completely. This is going to take maybe 4 to 5 minutes. Remember, you don't want it bubbling. You only want it nice and warm until you no longer see the unflavored gelatin. It looks just like milk. Now you're ready to remove and add your coconut extract. Do not add the coconut extract before you put it into the stove. You add it after, so that the coconut flavor, it's still in this amazing mixture. So here I'm adding 1 teaspoon. You could add 1 or 2, depending on how strong you want the flavor of the coconut. And now I am ready to start adding it directly into my silicone mold. I'm going to fill it all the way to the top. And if I have leftovers, I'm going to add it to a mini cup. Look at this. We're going to take it to the refrigerator for about 4 hours. Every refrigerator is different. I'm going to take it to the refrigerator for about 4 hours. After 4 hours, this jello is ready to enjoy. I'm going to wet my hand, wet the plate, and then I'm ready to remove the jello from the silicone mold. Look at this. How easy it is. It's going to come out perfect, beautiful, and look at all those little bubbles. Well, here, if you like and love this amazing coconut jello, like, subscribe, and share. And of course, in another plate, I have a little cup with the same mixture. I'm going to add it in here and then I'm going to show you the texture. Remember, only with your help, Cooking with Gloria will continue growing. This comes out so delicious, so creamy, nice and firm. And let me tell you, enjoy it. End your day with a delicious homemade jello. I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. My friends, I am completely done with this creamy and delicious coconut jello. Look at this. This is the part I love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Excuse me. Mm, mm. The flavor, amazing. Mm. When you prepare it at home, everything comes out perfect. Of course, you could use a beautiful mold or you could use little cups, whatever you have at home. But make this amazing and delicious, creamy coconut jello. If you liked and loved this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay ending my day with this amazing and creamy, delicious coconut jello. See you soon. Bye-bye.